So this is the first update I've done on this in quite a long time. With the original design and my objective with this pellet extruder, nothing was really working, so I spent quite a long time redesigning this in FreeCAD, and this was the first design I actually put together and was able to print something with afterwards. So you can see it's really quite different from the original. And here it is, the first time actually printing something. Again, this is all in waste plastic. This is in waste ground up bottle plastic. And I totally rebuilt the machine with a different board, different drivers, and completely redesigned printed parts. And here's the final design working now. So this was the second printout of all of the parts. And I also added this, which is a drill and a piece of wire that goes inside the feeding tube into the hopper. You can see it spinning around inside just here, and that's at the moment making sure that all my feedstock actually gets to the extruder. And there's another printed out part slightly under extruded. I'm still playing a lot with print settings, and this is the final design piece. You can download this one if you're brave and you want to play with it, but it definitely still needs some work. And there's the final one of the printed pieces, which came out slightly better.